Like I don't want to go back.
She blames me for that. Because he hates when... Yeah, guys. Capturing this. Good evening, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Andrea ma'am is getting ready. And yes, today is day 2 of our fitness journey of transformation. Basically, if you all don't know, Andrea, when I met her, she was half a size, okay? And now she's gained a lot of weight. She blames me for that because the foodie I am. And I've joined gym in Shillong. And before we start all this, yes, आ चुकी है हमारी नीस. मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त को सलाम करो. And look who has come here. Hi, how are you? Shaukwa's here.
Decided I'm Shaukwa.
How was your trip, Shaukwa? Oh, how was your trip? Handbrake लगा लो यार. Oh, come. It's on a slope. I told you everything here is on a slope, right? Oh, even this kiddo is wondering what's happening.
So I've decided I'm Shaukwa.
You are Shaukwa. Hi. I told you. Chalo, we'll take someone. Oh, सबसे important. Sona आ गया, Sona gold. अच्छा, you didn't roll it up.
Touch it properly.
But you didn't roll it up. So Anoop, how was your experience so far? And please take care of my controller. No, I'm worried for water. Nothing. Kya Jitendra shoes, white hoodie. She's become full hoodie girl. Shillong mode you already in. Yeah, give. She learned Kumno Pilong. Wow, very good. Kumno Pilong. Kumno Pilong.
Your post is bad.
Kumno Pilong. So how do you feel?
Awesome. Like I don't want to go back.
Yes, and it's so breezy today. And it's cold. In Shillong, I always like this.
Because of the winds, I can't fly.
Laban is always like this because it's in the hills, na?
Just holding you back. Return ticket क्यों नहीं कर रही हो? मम्मा हवा इतनी है.
Shall. She heard it? Okay, Anushka, how is your room?
You can open the windows.
This is such a cozy room, na?
This is like my dream room.
Take. See, this is what Mumbai people do always. Now you know where it comes from. Here.
Yeah, you're so bad. You showed me everything earlier on you.
So good night, and we got some brain game also for you because your brain needs to grow.
Wake up like this, then I'll open
Yeah.
the curtain. Then
You can open the windows also. There are no mosquitoes in
It's like a
Shillong.
movie.
Kumno Pilong. She say Kumno Pilong to everyone. ये पूरा vlog में जाने वाला है. This is our balcony. वहाँ पे they're drying the mooli for making mooli pickle. So the sun.
Place I go to, pickles will follow me.
Yeah, sunset is this side.
Mama's house, they make pickles. Hey, you should have told me to get all your.
So we got some mangoes for Jefferson and we have a surprise for him. So chorizos. One is which one? Seoul, my favorite ones. And then we have SAF Farm also. These two. Put in the freezer. Yeah. Why you're shopping? She thought there's no Zudio also here.
But I saw the same.
Why? Kumno Pilong. Her favorite word is Kumno Pilong. Is my DJ controller is here. I love you for this, man. And obviously my favorite headphones. So my set is up. Shillong में बजेंगे हम. आज के vlog में मैं तो देखने नहीं वाला हूँ. Oh, this is very nice cookies, man. Really good. Yes, bro.
That one or you have
Oh, lychees. Yeah. Peanut butter. I know she will take peanut butter one. Kumno Pilong, give me one. We'll share.
you take this.
Yeah. Okay. We'll share. No, I'll share. Andrea is busy removing some lychees. Oh, we got some rice. Hey, I'll give me one. This na rice. This is my favorite, guys. Whenever you all having hello Laddu. No, I can't call you Laddu anymore. Na Pankaj. By the way, this guy's name is Pankaj. He hates when show his jawline. He's very proud of his jawline because sometimes we cut even onions with this. Na? My truffle fans. My favorite. Lychees. Good night. See ya. Sweet dreams. Wes it's afternoon, but you sleep now. Yeah, it's cozy now. Okay, so while Anoop is taking rest, our water bottle is ready. And Andrea, how do you feel day 2? And she's not tired, so she's doing well. But what happens is that when I carry a thick jacket, then while coming back, it's a very proper uphill walk. Proper uphill. I get warmed up, and as a trainer, what you do is you have to do certain way of exercises, kind of a regime, which might have an adverse effect on someone's body if they quit working out. Simple as that. But if they don't quit and continue, the result is faster. So the whole game here is to catch that catch-22 situation. So if she continues, she'll get very good results. If she stops, she might become Humpty Dumpty. So yeah, so it's up to us. Either we take slow pace and give it a year.
This is not the one you're wearing.
Oh shit! Oh, that's ups. We're doing some cooking, right?
Yeah. It's for dinner.
Oh yeah, we are invited for a Khasi dinner at a proper Khasi place. So I don't know caption to kya jayega, but we thought today we should vlog. Nice day. So Andrea, how fast someone can learn Khasi language?
Depends. If you really try, you'll learn it in like a month.
Month?
Yeah.
No man. You know, they keep telling me,
It's just that you've never tried.
I know since nearly 2 years. Nearly. And I still know few words. Trust me, I don't think so. Everyone says that, oh, you'll learn in 2 months. Man, it's not easy. I don't know. Japanese I could pick because I worked that way, so I could get that. Coming back to the fitness story. So as a trainer, a lot of regime is decided. If you want fast results, that can be having an adverse effect. And then you can gain back. But if you maintain that, that's the main thing. As a student, she should try to understand her body, how it reacts to solid food, liquid food, diet, 3 pillars, cardio, weight training, diet. All has to be in control. Yep, so I think back to fitness. Today is shoulders and arms. Oh yeah, and whenever we walk, we see such beautiful flowers. Oh, Sothinko means hopscotch. And Maupan is Lagori, what we play. And then Pinhar Kot Khudi is flying kites. Siat Marble is, Goti, marbles. And Pinchat Bad Pu Latom, right?
Yeah.
That's Bhaura, top. So cool, huh? Written here. Purple flowers. So this time everything will be purple. And ये hoodie कुछ जानी पहचानी लग रही है, ultraviolet. चोरी किया रे. And this is St. John's Catholic Church of Shillong. Quite known. This is like a landmark. And she was right. I am now feeling very cold, but I am managing. So don't do this. Don't wear sleeveless and roam around. But ठीक है, फटाफट do cardio or warm up. There are very beautiful houses here, and everyone out here in near their house they have flowers, man. And she found someone. See, if you notice, everyone's houses have beautiful flowers outside. Oh, Javed Habib bhi hai hamare yahan. Kya baat hai. See, reverse gear happens, right? First hair on the head, now hair on my chin. That's life. Face the reality, guys. Be bold and be bold. Vegetables are always fresh here. Always. Damn, for a change, the sky is turned blue. For a change. So, Andrea, what's your take on goth wear? So here people wear like a lot of goth clothes, right? So they love rock, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, so finally, that's our gym. Right there. This is a very big market. Yes, that's our gym name. Right here. It's a nice gym, 3rd floor. My new Pumas.
My old Nike.
Old Nikes. And best part about this gym, we have treadmill, we have escalator. This is my favorite, manual curved running, very good. Our spinners, and that's in a whole shelf gym, and she's ready to work out. And this is the entire gym. For a change, it's empty, otherwise it's never empty, right? So this is our grocery time, right? Yeah. Living in the Khasi Hills in Shillong. Time to shop. So we are supposed to be on a diet, but see this. Actually, this is for Anushka, not for us. And madam, trying to make some pasta. We're back from the gym and let's see what Anushka's up to. Hi Anushka, how are you? Workout is over. And it's time to eat. She's not eaten anything. Today there's gonna be a lot of food because the neighbors have invited us. So you'll be seeing real Khasi food, and that's why I thought I should vlog. So this is the best lamb, best ever. Chicken samosa. This is the best chicken samosa ever. Ever. Acha, how do you say how are you in Khasi? Bhul gaye na? Dekha? First day I know everything. तुमने हमें बुलाया, हमने तुम्हें नहीं. Kumne Filong. She said it, otherwise you wouldn't have known. This has to be captured, guys.
So they're all just like, that's really like a fancy man, and he's just like, oh, that's all this stuff is yours, and I'm just there, you know, I have 5 trays. Ek pe there's the DJ, ek pe there's the headphones. Everyone's wondering who is she, and I'm just like looking down, acting as if I'm famous. Oh no, don't. Take photos.
God, guys, artist मैं हूँ. ये मेरा console है, ठीक है, which she got for me, and she's telling everyone, oh yeah, I'm the DJ, you know.
Suddenly, that officer asks me, ये 420 क्यों?
420. She officer ने इसको बोला आपका DJ नाम 420 क्यों है? Oh shit.
I'm like, thank you. They even put the saman back in the bag. For me, like I wrapped it in the towel.
You're so bad. So guys, she thought it's a disco light in our room, but it's actually a speaker. This Jeff has designed this room in such a way that there's a speaker on top and it's loud. So we are having some authentic Khasi meal. Excited, Anushka, your first Khasi meal? Hi Pai, how are you? She's like, no, I thought I'll record this moment. Yeah. For Anu, this one. Ooh, look at my plate. Looks so good. This one. Thank you. Okay, so this is a full-blown Khasi meal which I'm about to eat. So the person who made the food, he made this from ice cream sticks. Just look at the art. This is all done by him. Literally all done by him. It's done by him. Like a flower vase. Even here, this one. Man, this is also done by him. This frame. All this. All done by him. See that boat? That house. Xavier, my buddy, sleeping. This was it. I hope you guys like this video. We're gonna spend some good quality time with family. And see you with the next vlog. Keep watching. Subscribe. Share. If you want to see more content. Right, Anu?
Oh my god.
That's how it goes in vlogging. Bye. Close it. जागो 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 सुबह हो गई. जल्दी से देखो चाय ठंडी हो गई. मुर्गा बोले कुकुड़ कुड़ू. हुआ सोवेरा सोए तू काम पे जाना है रे.